Use this essential oil to attract money fast. Hello everyone, I'm Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So today I messed up 2 or 3 live videos, and I don't know how I did it. The first one, the lighting was all wrong. The second one, I was talking about the wrong essential oil, but I'm determined to get this message out to you. So here's what happened. We went to one of these little carnivals that have booths, and people sell different things, homemade soaps, oils, blends, things like that. I love that kind of stuff. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love essential oils. And I was in one booth, and the lady had some wonderful blends. And I picked up one oil, and I took a sniff. Nutmeg. It was the best smelling nutmeg I had smelled in a long time. But it reminded me of something, and I wanted to share it with you right away. Nutmeg, vibrationally, is very, very good for attracting money fast. So, if you're in the real estate business and you need a quick sale, nutmeg. If you're an auto salesman and you need a quick sale, nutmeg. Okay? It really, really works. You'll find money. Money will come to you from a variety of sources. Now, you may think, Robert's really gone like crazy here with this nutmeg thing. But let me explain it to you. Every oil, every scent, every color, every herb, every stone has a particular vibration. Now, nutmeg in and of itself will not make you any money. Trust me on that. You can bathe in nutmeg all day long. You will not make any money if you don't take action, if you don't apply the law of attraction. But what nutmeg does is it's akin, or it's in alignment with money. It's been used for centuries during the late harvest season, you know. And the reason? What does the late harvest represent? Abundance, prosperity. So here's what you do. You go get your wallet. I don't know what kind of wallet you use. I like these long ones. And open your wallet up, and on the inside of the wallet, rub nutmeg oil all over the place. I even rub a little bit on the outside. Now mine's real leather, so it'll take the nutmeg oil really well. And then put it back in your pocket and forget about it. Now, every time you open your wallet, every time you go to the store, you open your wallet, guess what will happen? You'll smell that nutmeg, and it will subconsciously trigger something in your subconscious mind. It will trigger whatever it is that's necessary to attract money fast, because nutmeg is at that vibration. It's at the vibration of attracting money fast. Now, it's not at the vibration of attracting large sums of money over an extended period of time. Now, if you want to do that, you take nutmeg and you mix it with cedar oil. About 80% cedar oil and 20% nutmeg. But try this right now. Order yourself some nutmeg oil. pure, essential nutmeg. Rub it on your wallet, rub it in your purse, even rub it on a dollar bill and put it in there. And then sit back and watch what happens. Go about your daily affirmations, your daily incantations, your creative visualization, your goal setting, your actions. Do everything the same, but add a little bit of nutmeg oil to your wallet. And then send me a letter. You're going to be shocked. I mean, you really are going to be shocked. So when I was at the carnival, and the lady had a nice little booth full of essential oils, I bought all the nutmeg oil she had. And I have to tell you, it's a wonderful smelling oil in and of itself. But it has a unique ability to attract money fast. Give it a try. Let me know how it works for you. I think you'll be pleasantly pleased. Okay, that's it. That's the great tip. Have a great day now, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.